Hello friends, how are you all? So today we are going to see the fourth video of our complete Java tutorials playlist. So if you still have not subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe it and press the notification bell icon to get the latest video updates. So friends, if you have not bookmarked the playlist, then please do that. And today we are going to see how to write a Java program. We will write a Hello World Java program, and we will see how to run that program with a command prompt. So we will use for this notepad++, and we will run this program with the help of command prompt. So what we are going to do, we will create a directory in our my computer, and we will use all our Java programs to write into that particular directory only. So let's just go inside. So you can create a directory in either C, D or E, whichever drive you want. So I'll create a folder into C drive, and I'll name it as complete Java tutorials. So I have created a folder. I will just rename it. It will be complete Java and tutorial. Complete Java tutorial. Yeah, that's it. So we will go inside this and we will create a new file by right click and go to new and then text document. So we will name it as test.java. So we will remove it and we will name it as test. test.java. Yeah. So just yes, because it is asking for your permission to change the file type. So you can give it yes. So after giving that, so we will open with notepad++. Like I said, we will use notepad++ for our this complete series. So we will write a program, public class and then class name we will give, and then open close braces, and inside this we will write the main method public static void main, and within parentheses string of August. Yeah. So we will print here system.out.println and then hello world inside that. So don't worry about this. What is this public class test? What is this public static void main string array of args and system.out.println? I'll describe you each and everything, but just give me some time. For right now, you just write this program and try to run it if it is running for you. So we'll just go to this URL and we need to type command cmd. So our command prompt will be open here, or else there are so many methods. You can do the right click by pressing the insert and then so you can do. So here we will type java c test.java to compile the program. And like I said in the one video, if we are going to compile, then it will generate its bytecode file by itself only. We can see here test.class and test.java. Test.java we have typed. Test.class is built by JDK. So we can run this particular file now, and for run we need to give Java and the class name, whichever class name we have given. So here we have given test, so we'll type Java and test here. So we will see hello world program, hello world. Yeah, that's it. So that's it guys for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. So thank you so much.